Well, hey y'all, today we're talking about ceramides and peptides, two very important skincare ingredients that you hear about all the time. But what are they? What do they do? And are they really necessary for your skincare routine? Well, I have all those answers for you in today's video. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to Skincare with Chris Gibson. If you're new, I'm Chris. I'm your skincare expert, and I promise you, I am here to help you find skincare that will work for you, not into your wallet, and not do more harm than good. So if that's your thing, hit that subscription button right now and that little notification bell so that you get notified when all my new videos are up each week. Well, we all want youthful, smooth, firm-looking skin, and we kind of want that for life. And ceramides and peptides play an incredible role in your skin's health at the deepest levels. Well, one creates the outer lipid barrier that protects your skin, well, from everything, and that's ceramides. The other, peptides, help your skin produce collagen and elastin to keep it smooth and firm. Well, if these two very important parts of your chemical structure of your skin are missing or lacking, then it doesn't really matter what you slather on or how much you pay for the product you're using, your skin's not gonna look its healthy best. Well, fortunately, as you probably already know, these two ingredients are readily available in a lot of skincare products. Now, the first of these we want to talk about today are ceramides, and ceramides play a super important role in protecting your skin from the environment. That's pollution, dry air, oxidation, even sunlight. The problem is when you don't produce enough ceramides on your own in your oil and sebum that your skin is producing, your skin gets really dry and is left open to damage from outer stresses. So if you're having very dry skin issues, ceramides can help lock in moisture and help your skin heal from the inside out. Normally, you only need to apply ceramides topically if you have dry skin issues, like severe dry skin, dry hands, cracked feet, elbows, that sort of thing. And on the face, if you have a really dry skin type or dry patches, ceramides can really help you out. The problem is if you have oily skin, or you're producing ceramides on your own, you really don't need to add them because it's just gonna make your skin more oily and more prone to breakouts. So ceramides, we think, dry skin, yes, oily skin, not so much. Now, you may have noticed that I said that ceramides can actually help your skin protect itself from UVA and UVB light. And while that is true, that does not mean you do not need to apply sunscreen. As most of us well know, it's not enough protection to keep us from getting sunburn. So use that sunscreen. Now, there are a couple of really good ceramide products that I like that I will recommend to you here. Links to these and any products I talk about in the video will be in the video description box below. And the first I want to talk about is Ceramide X moisturizing cream. Now, this is a cream that you would use on the body for dry hands, cracked skin, elbows, that type of thing. You can use it as an overall body lotion if you have extremely dry skin, but it's a heavier cream or a heavier moisturizing lotion that is packed full of ceramides that are going to really help your skin heal. And for the face, I would recommend something like Elizabeth Arden's Advanced Ceramide Youth Serum. Now, these are little capsules, which I really like because they're small and they give you the exact amount that you need to use for your skin. And they're a little bit expensive, so that really helps you save product and not waste it. This particular formulation is very packed with ceramides, very good serum for the face. You're gonna see some results right away if you have dry skin. Again, as I said, a little pricey, and I know that's a name brand that you've probably heard a lot before, but that product actually does work very well. So what about peptides? What are they? What do they do? How do they help you have beautiful skin? Well, peptides are kind of an exciting topic for me because we're getting into the science of skincare here. Peptides are actually amino acids that link together in a chain, and they help build proteins in the skin. And the protein they're building is collagen. Yes, that is so super cool. I just love the science of skincare, so pardon me while I geek out a little bit. Okay, moving on. So why this is important to you? Well, collagen makes up 80% of your dermis. That's most of your skin. So its job is actually to help your skin keep its shit together. Literally keeping it elastic and firm and supple. Now, when you're younger, you produce collagen at a very fast rate. In fact, it's what gets you from being an infant to an adult without your skin having millions of stretch marks because we grow so fast during those years. The bad news is that starting at about 20 years old, every year you produce about 1% less collagen. So that by the time you get into your 30s and 40s, you've cut it in half. And really about 45 years old, you're not producing much, if any, at all. Now, for even more bad news, the collagen you have produced begins to break down and fragment, and that's when we see the signs of aging. Fine lines, wrinkles, deep creases, droopy eyelids, sallow skin, jowls, all of that is because collagen is breaking down in the dermis layer of the skin. Now for the good news. Even if you have some of the signs of aging already starting, or you're in your 20s or 30s, it's not too late to begin supporting your skin's collagen production naturally by applying peptides topically. I mean, think about it. The number one way to reduce the signs of aging is to boost collagen production in your skin, and peptides can do that for you. Now, you may have seen many people taking collagen supplements, drinking drinks like the pink drink, or applying very expensive products that have collagen in the formulation to their skin. The problem is that collagen is produced within the skin cells. It's not produced outside, doesn't come from what you eat or any of those things. And collagen molecules are way too big to penetrate the skin. But peptides, being an amino acid and a building block of that protein, are able to penetrate the skin. And the really interesting thing, to me anyway, is that it actually signals to the skin to produce more peptides. So as you apply topical peptides, the skin gets a signal to produce more peptides, which produces more what? Collagen. Now, if you're new to peptides, I have a product that I think is really great to recommend to you, and that's the Ordinary's Buffet Peptide Serum. That's a 25% serum. Now, it is packed with several combinations of peptides or amino acids that actually help support collagen production, but also elastin, another very important part of the structure of your skin that keeps it supple and firm. They also include hyaluronic acid in that formulation, which is huge for hydration of the skin. So this is a really good product, and because I use and test the Ordinary products routinely myself, I can recommend it highly. So ceramides and peptides are definitely two skincare ingredients you want to consider including in your skincare routine. They can go a long way along with lifestyle choices and sunscreen to help give you youthful, beautiful skin well into old age. Now, please let me know in the comments below if you're using peptides or ceramides and what effect they're having on your skin. I'd really love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel. I love you guys. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you over on the next one.